13 lights over on the ridge. It's always fun counting how many have got a purpose in the top. At the moment I can't see any pelicans. Normally there's pelican on most of the light poles. I think recently we counted 12 of the 13 light poles had a pelican on. But today there is not one.